Good morning, ladies and gents, or good evening, it depends where you are on this beautiful planet. I'm Gergo from Hungary, a Gemar ambassador and Gemar Creator master. And believe it or not, only 2 weeks left from this year. Oh my god, there's a lot of things happening, and there were a lot of things happened during this year. A lot of things. So, that's why I decided this is gonna be one of the latest Gemar tutorial in this year, not for overall, but just for this year. We're gonna continue to next year, but because it's gonna be one of the latest Gemar Creator tutorial on Mondays, I decided to create some New Year's Eve celebration decoration with shimmer wall, champagne bottle, some organic crystal clear garlands like champagne foam bubbles. So yeah, basically that's it. To give you a little inspiration how to do this, and just for the New Year's Eve. But almost 1 minute passed and I'm talking a lot, so let's just jump right into the Gemar Creator, guys. Okay. As you can see, we have all the previous beautiful gingerbread house, the reindeers, the even Halloween themes, everything. But today we're gonna create a new project, and I'm gonna use a column for the champagne bottle first. Okay, so the column gonna be maybe 150 centimeters. That's just the basic bottle, not the neck, just the bottle. Okay, and customize the balloons. G120 is perfect. And I'm gonna use standard, and the Gemar got the emerald green, which is a perfect color for champagne bottle. Believe me, it's a perfect one. So let's just create the project, and as you can see, we have it takes a little time to render, but we have the front and the back view. So I'm gonna unlock the preset for one reason, because we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need maybe something like this. We need just this beautiful champagne bottle here. Okay, so let's go to the element. So we have the basic. Okay, that's just the basic. Okay, so what we can do before I do anything, I'm just gonna color this to red. Okay, it's red. Perfect. So we need to use gold as well, so I'm going to duplicate this. Okay, and instead of G120, what was the inflation size? 24 centimeters. Perfect. So I'm going to shrink it down just a little bit. Okay, so it can go right here, right there. Perfect. Okay, maybe that can be emerald green as well. Perfect. Okay, so from this point we need to shrink, just a little shrinkage, and the way I'm gonna do it is go to shiny and Prosecco. We're gonna use gold because it's New Year's Eve, so we're gonna use gold and shrink it down until it's just like that. Perfect. Maybe that's a little too small, a little bit bigger than that. Yeah, about that. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate it so we can make a beautiful balloon shrinkage here, right here. Just like that, so it can mimic that the champagne bottle, at least the neck, is shrinking. Okay, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is just put one gold here as well. Perfect. And not just one gold, but one red bubble as well. So one red. Here you need to do the sound effect as well, as always. So yeah, just like that. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so from this point we just need to continue to shrink down this bubble, and I think we can use a 50 as well, so it's gonna be like shiny gold, over inflated shiny gold 5 inches. Okay, because why not, we can make a neck out from it. And of course we don't need any cork or something to put inside the neck, because it's gonna be like an opened champagne bottle. Okay, just like that. It's perfect, looks really good. We just need to move this, and then we're gonna create a group from it, so it's gonna actually be a group. Okay, good. I'm gonna send this to the front, just like that. Okay, and this can sit at the top. Et voila, we have a champagne bottle. Oh my, it looks fairly good, with gold and everything. Okay, so let's make a group from it. Okay, zoom to fit in, so we can rotate this a little bit, just like that. Perfect. Please let me know if you have any questions, okay, in the comments. So right now what we can do is just insert a shimmer wall, shrink down a little bit, and right now I'm not really sure about the size, so I'm gonna go to accessories, extras, person. I'm gonna include myself, so as you can see here, maybe it can be like a 2 meter. Okay, but if you're not 100% sure, we have the meters here, which is a ruler, so that's 1 meter, and that can be 2 meters. Yeah, it's exactly 2 meters. Oh my god, I'm good with my eyes. Perfect. So I don't need myself again. Send this at the front. Perfect. Okay, looks good. What we can do is go to the organic and include a few organic clusters. Of course it's gonna be white at the first, okay, but I'm gonna flip this right here. Good. We will need smaller ones like this, and maybe something middle sized like this, one cluster like this. I'm just putting in different balloon clusters, okay, nothing significantly. Okay, so it's gonna be shiny gold. Okay, the big giant shiny ball, just like that. Perfect. I think that can be shiny gold as well. Good, just like that. And this one can be shiny gold as well, going here. Looks really good. And flip it so it can go right there, and this, send this at the front, this can go right there. Oh, I'm really satisfied with this. Okay, so what we can do, what I'm gonna do is just make a duplication from all of this, because I will need it in black as well, and maybe in crystal clear. So I'm gonna go to transparent. Oh, not here, sorry, but crystal. Yep. And because it's a crystal clear, as you can see, it's a little bit transparent, so we can use that. See, you can see the black behind there. Cool. So let's make this crystal as well, so it can go from there. Perfect. Good, good, good. Okay, so that can go to crystal as well. So it can be actually like crystal clear bubbles. Perfect. So what we can do is just add a little more crystal clear to the neck of the champagne bottle. Crystal clear, so it's like it's really bubbling all the way down, just like that. Little clusters. Kind of love it, love it, love it, love it. Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay, so what else we can do? We will need a black. Okay, so it's standard, not white, but 014 black. I'm gonna flip it and mirror it just a little bit so it can go right here. I love it. I love it. Okay, so we need to do this as well. So it's standard black. Perfect. And this can go to standard black as well. Just like that. Good, 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 good. I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's add a little gold here. So I'm just gonna rotate this. Just like that. Okay. Just a little bit. And after that we can do, I'm gonna shrink down a little bit just the form of the organic, okay? So let me know what I'm talking about, just like that, and send this back a little bit frontward. Perfect. I forgot to do something. Go to the layers, find the picture from the shimmer wall. I'm gonna lock it with a little padlock so it can be moved right now. Okay, so what I'm talking about is just have this black, and I'm just gonna shrink it down just a tiny bit so I can make the gold a little bold and, you know, really huge looking, just like that. Okay, just like that. And one more thing, I'm gonna go to the paint mode, select one of the balloons and just put a small little balloons here. Small. Good. Okay, so we will need a small 5 inches as well. So let's go to the black. And I can cover a few imperfections here and maybe here, just, you know, without any details. Rotate this so it's not really always the same. I'm gonna do exactly with the shiny gold as well, so it can go with a little shiny, just a few shiny drops. Okay, maybe one more. I love it. I love it. It's a really good looking organic clusters. Perfect. Just the way I want it. Okay, just the way I want it. So cool, cool, cool. One more thing we can add, or maybe just two. We can add a clock here as well. Shrink down a little bit, zoom to fit in, so we can actually make a little decoration out from it. Okay, these can be like a small cutouts. Just like that, referring to the midnight countdown maybe. Okay, so And one more thing we can add, just 2 more things. We can add big giant gold here, and one more thing, we can add a big black one of this maybe here. I don't know. I'm gonna send this back and a little bit frontward. Yeah, just like that. So it's a little bit covered, but not exactly. Good. Good. Okay, so maybe this can go, a little smaller version can go here. Right there. I love it. I love it. Oops, sorry. Sorry, I need to unlock the background. Okay, so I unlock the background. I can move the whole pack everywhere I want. I think it looks really good. I don't really want to add anything to it. It's just a simple organic, nothing significant. We can go to back. Let's resize this a little bit. Yep, just about that. So as you can see, we have a beautiful midnight decoration. Of course, you can add the champagne bottle stickers to the champagne bottle, but it looks really good and promising just the way it is. And just always, you can download it as a PNG, or you can download the element list, which is right here with a safety margin, generating the PDF. I'm downloading it right now, and let me just show to you. Okay, let's just change the scene to the preview. Okay, perfect. So as you can see here, we have the shiny gold, just 40. We have all the big ones. The G30 is a huge shiny balloons, and it's all together less than 300 balloons. So it's nothing huge work, just simple, elegant, and emerald green is the perfect for the champagne bottle. There's no better color for that. So let me just show you one more time. So ladies and gents, and everyone out there, this was me for today. A really quick and easy Gemar Creator tutorial. It's a usable, it's really good on its own. I really love the outcome with the shiny gold. So that was me for today. See you on another Monday. I'm not really sure about the next Monday because it's almost Christmas season, but somewhere in the world or in one Monday we're gonna see you. I'm 100% sure. But that was me for today. Keep playing with balloons and have fun with Gemar Creator. And always, if you want to ask a question or you're not really sure about something, just leave us a comment. I'm gonna happily answer all your questions. And yeah, basically that's it. Have a wonderful Christmas and have a really happy and good New Year. See you next time.